county governments. And Mr. Speaker, it appears like the two ladies who have sat in this office had a brief from where to ensure that it fails. The moment they have come in, they have pretended that they understand devolution to the extent that the senator of Nairobi, who has got 17 constituencies under him, and the senator of Kakamega and Kiambu, who have 12 constituencies apiece under us, we are supposed to be rated at the same level with one MP in one of the constituencies. This arrogance, Mr. Speaker, is the one which they have taken to county assemblies. The way they belittle senators, they are belittling MCAs. Mr. Speaker, a chef in a five-star hotel in Nairobi earns 87,000 shillings. A chef, a cook, 87,000 shillings. And an MCA earns 86. How many hotels do you have in a ward where an MCA presides over? Mr. Speaker, an MCA earns 86, and a principal of a high school in this country earns 190,000 shillings. How many high schools do we have in a ward represented by an MCA? Mr. Speaker, the issue of traveling allowance, to move from Munavi in Matungu constituency to the other end of Kakamega in Moy's Bridge, it is 200 kilometers. The MCA has to drive from his home in Moy's Bridge to Kakamega town 130 kilometers, and he can't make a claim. Mr. Speaker, MCAs have been reduced into running away from their homes. They don't sleep at home because when people come in the morning, they have no money to spend on them. Mr. Speaker, the MCA of Sheye Ward, in Kakamega County has a ward which has got a bigger voting population than 20% of all the constituencies of Kenya. That kind of person cannot represent people. Mr. Speaker, we just have to